Years ago, I bought a desk, black frame, V2 C style. You're gonna see that in the video. I bought the Walnut Laminate. You're gonna see that in the video. The good friends at UPLIFT actually discovered that my dream wood surface was the Walnut butcher block, and that's what they sent me. So they sent me this. They sent me a couple of accessories for cable management that I'm gonna cover as well as a bonus. And hopefully at the end of this video, you have what you need to make a decision on the Walnut Laminate or the solid wood walnut butcher block, and you buy it without buyer's remorse. Here you're looking at the Walnut Laminate. I've had this for 4 years, and you could see just like how well it has kept. And the reason why is actually, this is scratch and water resistant. So this is the walnut laminate surface. Here, you're looking at the solid wood butcher block. Despite this being a 72-inch, it is much heavier than this 80-inch. Like, I can kind of pick this up and move it around. This one requires a lot of effort. Within these holes right here, the grommet holes inside, that's like particle board. You don't see that on this surface. I know it's not in view, but the grommet holes actually kind of like it's just all wood. It's smooth. It goes right into itself. It just looks really beautiful. In fact, although I have a grommet cover and a pop-up power outlet, if I remove those, it will look just as nice. What you see is what you get. There's a lot more consistency with the walnut laminate because this is like how it's designed. Whereas the solid wood, actually it's a little more natural, right? So not everyone's wood block is gonna look the same. And I think that's what makes this a little special. It gives it that character. If you look really closely, I'll try to zoom in a little bit. There are actually texture lines. Now watch me do it here. Nothing. It's smooth. I have got to say that this surface right here is going to give you the most bang for your buck. I've had this for 4 years. There's nothing for me to believe that this wouldn't last another 4, 8, 12 years. But if you're in it to kind of have like something that will have character, potentially patina over time, you have kind of that extra budget to kind of invest in something that you're really going to enjoy, you can get this. But I'm letting you know right now, if you're on the fence, just get this right here. This is, if you're on the fence, that means to me that there are a few things, including budget, that you're really being cautious of. I would get this, I would purchase it, and I would not look back. I didn't want to do a lot of cable management because I actually want to do another video in the future. So I kind of just put together the 8-part outlet in the back, and then I plugged in the cables, and then I used some Velcro ties at the bottom. 5 to 10 minutes worth of work after I got the surge protector in, which also is very simple. And check this out. I feel like the bottom of this desk, honestly, cleaner than 80–90% of the folks out there. Look. It isn't until you get to the very bottom that you see cables really showing. But like, look at that. That's pretty clean, right? Let's go look at what it looks like in the back. All right, so this is the 8-part surge protector that UPLIFT sent me. And I was pleasantly surprised after I put this together because I thought it was just like, oh, an 8-part surge protector. What's really neat is that this thing can actually be mounted 3 ways. The easiest way is actually mounting directly to the V2 C-frame. I bought this, again, 4 years ago, and it already still had the holes needed to put this together. What's really cool is the orientation of all these power plugs. They all go the same way, and they have really nice distance. So what that means is something like this that is really, really thick can actually be plugged in, and you will not have to worry about crowding. None of these are getting crowded. The other nice thing about this is that it has a really long cable. I could drag this desk all around this room and there's still enough slack. And why is that important? Well, it's important because now, since this is really long and it is directly powering everything in this unit, I don't need a daisy chain protectors anymore. If you want to be very, very cautious, you wouldn't do that. If I drag this a little more, This comes with the UPLIFT desk. Again, I bought this desk 4 years ago. This came along with it, and it comes with cable ties and other things, at least it used to. And so I cheated. I'll do a cleaner job next time, I promise. But for now, what I do is I plug the stuff into there, kind of like use the Velcro ties here. You'll see one here, you'll see the other one here. And I'm tucking in the blocks into this section. So like there's kind of like a power block here. There's a bunch of cables getting shoved in here. Again, I didn't do a clean job, but it doesn't look bad, right? So that is an 8-part surge protector. Coupled with this, that actually comes with the UPLIFT for free. You're kind of in good shape to kind of get the cable management in a place where you saw in the last clip. All right, this is the pop-up power system from UPLIFT desk. What's really nice is you can do this and access 4 different 3-prong plugs, and then you can always collapse it back. And then here you have USB-C with 20 watts and then USB-A. This can charge like many small laptops. It can charge my daughter's iPad Air 2024 model. So that's really neat. This is the other thing they sell. The problem with this though is, although there are 2, if you wanted to plug in something like this, pretty common, right? If you wanted to plug something in like this, because again, there's no USB-C, so now you have to do this. There is no room over here for another one. It's taken up all the width. My recommendation, spend the extra money, get this right here. All right, so there you have it. Hopefully by the end of this video, you now know if you want to spend the extra money and get this silky smooth, solid wood walnut butcher, or do you want to go ahead and save some of that money, spend it on something else, and get the tried and true walnut laminate. Again, I bought the walnut laminate 4 years ago, and it was a solid purchase, and I'm really, really happy with that purchase. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you end up buying based on this video. And if you are going to purchase something from UPLIFT Desk, please click the links in my video. Those clicks help this channel